Salon Diva V in the garden, planting food for next year's harvest. As I plant these seeds and watch the garden bloom.
Welcome in, welcome in, welcome in. Salon Diva V in a place to be, my garden. So today, y'all, I'm going to be transplanting some um, green wave mustard greens to the garden. Yes, these are young. It's hot outside, but I want to separate them before they get any bigger and put them in the garden in this container right here. But first, we're gonna add some um, fertilizer to this bucket that we have. I have some black cow manure. We're gonna add to this. We're gonna water this in real good, and we're gonna cover it with shade cloth. So first things first, I have a layer of mulch that I have on here, and we're going to remove the mulch that's been there to kind of keep the soil moist. I don't know how good that has been. And I got the gloves on the wrong hand. Maybe I do. No, I don't. I don't know. It don't really matter at this point. I need to get some more gloves anyway because all my gloves. Oh, and these are the same glove. Whatever. I don't care. All the gloves are, I guess the sun being in the atmosphere, then. Ooh, that feel ill form. I can't do that. Ooh, move. Okay, let me try this. Probably gonna still feel the same way. And it does. And it does. And it does. Okay. We're gonna just work with it. Okay, so we're gonna remove this top layer off. Let's see if I got a container over here. So I'm gonna take this bucket here, and I'm going to take the top layer of mulch and put it in the bucket. And this is usually the container that I grow my mustard greens in. So how y'all doing today? Have y'all started y'all fall garden? I know I'm probably late, but here in Houston we have a longer growing season than most. So it's better to start than don't start at all. I'm gonna mix this up. And this soil is not, it's pretty, it's not really compacted. It is pretty sandy. So just want to fluff it up a little bit more. And we're going to add cow manure in here. cost. Mix that in. We don't want to just plant everything in the cow manure. We want to have that native soil in there also. Of course, we want the benefits of the black cow. Ooh, the water hot. I should have waited. So a lot of times when I'm watering my soil, I have to go back and check because I think I'm doing a great job at watering. And then once I'll take it and do that, and it'll still be dry here. So as you guys can see, it's moist all the way down. So that lets you know that the water is going through the container. That means it has good drainage. So now that this is nice and soaked, I should have bought that little spoon I had out here. Let me go and grab my little utensil that I use to take this out. I'll find one out here. Let's see if I can find something out here. Okay, so I got my little plastic spoon that I'm gonna gently go in here and scoop this out. Now, when I planted this, no, this is not the ideal container to plant 5,000 mustard greens in, but I wanted to get it done, and at the time, this is what I had. I started these inside, and this is what I had available. So I just did it. Sometimes you gotta experiment. Do what you gotta do. Okay, have all the mustard greens out. And we're just gonna start putting them in. Trying to be gentle because they are tender. Okay, y'all, so my phone overheated because that's how hot it is, but pretty much this is the shade cloth, and it's folded over like 4 times, and that is, I watered them in real good. I put it on the misting setting so I wouldn't tear nothing up, and that is the mustard greens. And once they start standing up, then I will cover it back with the mulch. All right, y'all. I figured I'd give y'all a little something to look at. Look at them bananas. Look at them standing under the banana. Let me get some shade. Let me get some shade. Look at that. Look at that. Hey, girl. Hey, I see. Come, give me a hug, girl. Hey, look at that. All right, yo. Thank y'all for watching. Share me with your family and your friends. I'm Salon Diva V. If you are new here, thank you for watching, girl. Hit that like button. Hype me up, girl. Hype me up. Share me with your family and your friends. Check out my other social media profiles. Until I see you guys in the next video, I'm Salon Diva V, in a place to be. Oh my God, you know what it is. Peace.
I gotta plant this food so my futures doesn't look gloom. Keeping it in the family, cause we gon' have to eat, you understand me. Avoiding pesticides, growing my own. Avoiding grocery stores and picking my foods right here at home. So learn to grow. All it takes is patience. Garden tools, especially a hoe, but be careful for snakes.